Today we are celebrating Doctors' Day. I wish all the doctors fraternity a happy Doctors' Day. Doctors are working day and night for the human service. They should be encouraged and they should be supported in the view of the good service to the public. Regarding the Venlock Hospital is 176 years old hospital which is started in the British era. The hospital was started by a British surgeon in the view of dressing the wounded soldiers in the Tipu Sultan War. Later it got converted as a municipality hospital and then it was a hospital from the Madras province and later it came to the government of Karnataka. Now till 2014 it was under Director of Medical Education. 2014 onwards it is coming under Family Health and Welfare. Government hospital has got 905 beds, including 200 beds of our regional pediatric center. That is an advanced pediatric center because we are offering all the advanced treatment, high-tech treatment for pediatric wing, including NICU, PICU, pediatric surgery, pediatric oncology, pediatric burns and special care for disabled children also. Now we are taking ahead with the program of District Early Intervention Center, which is a project from the Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Kriya Yojana RBSK. We are going to start from the next month, from August. Coming to the Venlock Hospital has got 705 beds with all the super speciality. Recently we have also included certain specialities like peritoneal dialysis and also the high dependency care unit. This is the first hospital to start a peritoneal dialysis wing in India in the government setup. We have already completed 20 patients successfully by giving free peritoneal dialysis for all the BPL patients who are coming with chronic renal failure. I can say this hospital is not only catering the Dakshina Kannada and Udupi, it's catering adjacent 8 to 10 districts. 2014 out of 2.5 lakhs of OPD patients and 27,000 of inpatients, 14,000 patients are from other districts. We get patients from Shimoga, Hassan, Davangere, Chitradurga, then the adjacent districts of Chikmagalur and also Kodagu and Kasaragod. So in this week, I always want this hospital to upgrade as a regional hospital or an autonomous status for this hospital, as we have got 905 beds, which is nearing almost 1000 beds. This hospital always stands first, catering the regionality of the South Karnataka. So I would urge the government and the department to encourage this hospital by giving a regional hospital status so that we can improve the services like National Trauma Center or a State Trauma Center or the Burn Center, which can cater in and around of this South Canara. Already we have got a plan, estimate, everything ready to start 176 bedded hospital, including neurosurgery, urology and the transfusion center. So the neurosurgery beds are going to be 50 and urology beds are going to be 80 with a well equipped transfusion center. Already the 5.1 crore has been all deposited to the Karnataka Health System Development from the Raksha Samiti. I think it is only one in the Karnataka state to share 1/3 amount of the total estimated cost from the Raksha Samiti. The next month we are going to start a well-equipped district early intervention center which is converging the district disability rehabilitation center with the artificial limb center. So this is going to cater wide population of total integrated rehabilitation center for disability. I would like the media, publics and everybody to support Wenlock Hospital, which has got a heritage status and also one of the premier institute in India.